Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is Click Saving. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first video of mine you are watching, welcome to my channel. Join in and see me retwist my hair or complete my lock maintenance, whichever one you like to call it. I start off on freshly washed hair and I section my hair for easy maneuvering. Comment down below if you have locks, if you want to start locks, and if you have them, how long have you had them? How long have you been contemplating on getting them? And what's stopping you from starting your lock journey? So whenever I complete my lock maintenance or retwist, whichever you like to call it, I like to start at the nape of my neck. It makes things easier starting from the bottom and working my way up to the top. So that's what I'm doing here. I only use two products when retwisting my hair, and those are aloe vera juice and aloe vera gel. With using these products, I have seen minimal buildup and the gel dissolves in water, which helps a lot and makes my wash days 10 times easier. I honestly don't know what I was thinking to try to put one section in the back. 4 sections is way easier and my hair will not fall out as I'm retwisting the bottom row.
Ryan Little.
Once I'm done sectioning off my hair into 4 sections, I separate the lock I'd actually like to start retwisting. Remember to start from the nape of your neck. Do y'all see how my kitchen is laid from that wash? Yes, ma'am. I am now adding that aloe vera gel to the root of that lock. I've already sprayed it with the aloe vera juice, and now I'm putting the gel. Then I go through and comb that new growth smoothly and start retwisting using the comb coil method, which is how I originally started my locks. How did you start your locks if you already have locks? I then grab those loose strands that are poking out from each lock and I smoothly twist them around that lock. And this is just to help my hair remember that coil pattern it is supposed to be growing in. So when you're locking your hair, you're changing basically the pattern of your hair's growth. So you're changing it into that coil, and you want the hair to always go into that coil. So you want to wrap those loose strands around to ensure your hair is growing in that coil-like pattern. I then add my clip to ensure that the root stays tight, especially for the drying process. So I'm going to complete that process throughout my head, and then I'll come back when I get to the top to show you a different angle of the retwist process.
Casper, do it again. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. But you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry.
Girl, I did it. Y'all know that TikTok, but here's the view from the top of my head after completing all the locks except for this last section. And at this point, I'm already starting to feel a little good because I'm almost done.
I just want my cheese kinda straight weight, maybe we can celebrate. I just hit 11 straight. Ay, I'm a bad man, so I might just go to God. Said I ain't poppin', so I might just show my body. Tell me what you learned from.
So here I have already started sectioning off that actual row of locks I'd like to twist. And then I'm going in and perfecting those parts, which is not necessary because they already looked pretty good. I was just being a perfectionist at this point. You do not have to do this. I am not a beautician. I'm not a cosmetologist. I am just a girl who wanted locks and started them herself.
I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry.
So again, y'all, you take the lock that you want to twist, add your gel, take that comb and smooth out them roots. Get all the new growth smooth, and then you're going to use that comb coil method. And then ensure that you are holding your lock when removing the comb because you do not want to pull your hair. And now I'm wrapping the loose strands around the lock to ensure they're going in that coil direction I want them to grow in to create that lock. Y'all can see my hair is budding and the lock is flourishing. Add that clip and then you're almost ready to dry once you complete the section.
I don't need your thoughts. I'ma stay 10 toes down. Look how I rose from the ground. And none of these hoes and they can't take it. Poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry.
Back it up the way you bustin' at the place, nah, nah, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me, all of me.
Do not be afraid to spray that juice during the time of retwisting. You want to make sure that you have all the moisture that you need. Add that gel, take your comb that root. Do the comb coil method, wrap any loose strands around that lock to ensure the lock is growing in that spiral direction, and you just completed a lock retwist, baby.
Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You're done now. Vicky's bad man.
All clips are in. I better not get shocked by no lightning or it's going down. Metal head behind. But it is completed, and next step is to sit under that dryer that I have behind me that I got from my local Sally's. If only I could set it up like I normally do off camera. But as soon as I get on camera, I don't know how to set it up. It's too high. I gotta bring it down low. But you know what to do. Level it to your liking so you can ensure the best drying process. And now it's just time to sit until your hair is completely dry. Everyone's hair is different, so I cannot tell you how long you should sit underneath the dryer. I may sit under there between 30 to 45 minutes, sometimes longer depending on how much juice I sprayed on there. Because you know your girl, I got that juice. New AP. Comment down below if you'd like to see a wash day video as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe to your girl's channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos.
I'ma run that sack up to the ceiling like I should.
So this is the completed look. Do y'all think your girl is looking good? It don't matter because your girl is definitely feeling herself. Get into it, get into it. Yes, ma'am. And all right, y'all, that is it for today's video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Interact with your girl.